In this video, we're going to go about cleaning up our little chat widget. So currently, as you can see, the excess down here is due to the size box and at the size. So for example, if I change this to 500, see that that line has came up quite a bit and it's just still hanging a little below. So I want to reorganize this with a vertical box. So let me find one. It's a panel, vertical box, and throw everything into it. So the image, I still want to actually be at the very back, have it fill. And I want the vertical box to fill it as well. Okay, now we need to kind of think of size box for the scroll box. You can delete the chat message, make the scroll box for the chat to be in the middle. Then we need to kind of deal with some of the sizing issues. So I'm going to set it to fill right now and just see what it looks like. Yep, that's how it is. So now we can do some adjustments. So vertical alignment wise, I want to align to the bottom. Here you'd be taking up the rest. Let's see, why are you not filling it out? Ah, there we go, because I had it set to fill. So I want to do that. I want to give it some padding on the top. Let's make a size box real quick. And the input's going into the size box. And I want to override the height. Let's drag it up. Let's do 60. Let's give it some padding on top. Let's do 50. And that should be okay. A way to move the items to the middle. I guess not too big of a deal. Let's look at it. And that's kind of how it's looking at the moment. So I want to add something in the middle here. I'm just going to do an image, I think. Or let's see here. Yeah, I'll do an image. Let's see. Let's tinker with the look real quick. Let's get rid of the image. Just see what it looks like. So it looks very plain. You can't really see anything inside. I want to have, let's see, the background for the scroll box to have a little bit of darkness to it, and same thing for the text. I'm trying to think of how to do that. I like how it added as a background. I can't add it on, so I'd have to make some sort of container. Yeah, I want to do that route. So I want to take a canvas panel, put it into the vertical box, and then I'm going to put the size box into the canvas panel. Make the size box fill it. Let's give it some padding on top by 50. All right, put the canvas panel inside the size box. Got that backwards. And make the text box fill the canvas panel. And from here, I can add an image in the canvas panel, make it fill it, and then change the color and opacity to 0.15, like so. There we go. And unfortunately, I cannot click through that. Let's see here. Not hit testable. Self and all children. No, visible. Is that not? Hmm. All right, set you to visible as well. I thought they were by default. Okay. Make you visible. And that should be the last thing. Why can I not click through you? Yeah. They're not hit testable. Self only. There we go. So I had to make the image. I think it was the image that was messing with it. Maybe. So set the visibility to not hit testable self only for the image, canvas panel, size boxes, and all the vertical boxes and such. Then we're going to do the same thing for the rest. So I'm going to add a canvas panel, do the vertical box again for the scroll box. It's going to go above you. It's going to fill. Give this some padding on top, or 50. Then I'm going to add an image into the size box's canvas panel. Let's do anchor it, fill it, and do 0.15 for the alpha and completely black. So this is now what it looks like. That is not quite filling up. So what's in there? That needs to be filled as well. So there we go. We're obviously eventually gonna have to put a limit. And I cannot scroll. That is because the image needs to be not hit testable. So now let's test it. There we go. Now I can scroll. So now we have a much nicer looking chat. I want to close up that gap a little bit more. So I'm going to remove the 50 padding, change that down to, let's do 10. There, I like that more. So that's how I'm going to leave the chat for now. And I'd say at least unless I find some other issues. We're at a state where we can leave it and come back to it maybe in like a video or actually I'll probably be in the next video where we add a little bit of a constraint so we cannot, do that, or at least we will make it so there's a limit, but we also have this on multiple lines because currently, as you can tell, it just kind of keeps going when there's nothing there for it to, use. So I'll see you in the next video when we do that.